Gorgeous custom-built 3-bedroom, 3-bath, total electric Lake Hartwell home. 1,977 square feet with full unfinished basement except for a finished full bath that just needs floor covering. Open floor plan features hardwood floors, tile baths and carpet in the bedrooms. Plantation shutters throughout. Great room with vaulted ceiling and wood-burning stone fireplace overlooking the lake. Kitchen with granite countertops, stove, built-in microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, pantry cabinet along with a bar and breakfast area. The spacious master suite overlooks the lake, has bay windows and separate door to covered porch. It features a spacious bath with large tile corner shower plus a corner jacuzzi tub with a lake view. Oversized walk-in closet. Covered dock located on a cove off main body of lake. Attached garage. Landscaped yard with sprinkler system and fenced-in backyard for the dog. Perfect full-time home or great vacation lake home for the family. Short drive to downtown Hartwell to grab a nice dinner or do some shopping. All the furniture, freezer, gas grill and boat are negotiable. All corners are flagged. What I love about this lake home is the kitchen/breakfast area, great room, master suite, covered back porch and terrace level, all overlooks the lake plus it is located just minutes to big water/dam, Hartwell Marina and the Boathouse.